Hello, in this video, we will see about swing trading. The name of the stock I took today is DCM SHRIRAM. The price at which I am planning to buy this stock is 688. After purchasing this stock, 728 is my first target. The second target is 740. The third target will be 762. Normally, when doing safe trading, I would get out of the second target. Maybe when the second target shows signs of rising stock, I will decide to go for the third target, or above. My stop loss will be 641. I think I can hold this share for 1 or 2 months. Maybe, if my third target is reached within that time, I will leave immediately. Because 7 to 10% profit per trade is enough for me. Similarly, when we take 7 to 10% profit per transaction, our investment doubles in 10 successful transactions. If you like this video, please click the like button. Share this video with your friends if they are involved in the stock market. Maybe this will help them in some way. Thank you so much. And see you again.